Hey guys, this is just a quick look at my tripod and the case I made to hold my phone during recording. I also threw in a look at my basement and some of the tools I have down here. Hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the video. Alright, so here's the tripod that we've had sitting around for a while. This is for a really old camera. And you can see the attachment screw there is just a little quarter 20 thing. So, I had a piece of scrap stainless sitting around in the garage, just real thin stuff. So I'm going to drill a hole there, and then I can just put a nut on top like that, and that'll hold it in. And on this back part here, I can make like a little wooden thing for the camera, my phone, to sit in. And then I can just hook it up to the wall outlet so it's charging as it films, and then I can get some pretty good stable work shots as I'm working. So that's going to be pretty neat. And there we go, whipped up real quick. So all I got to do is make the thing go on here. Yeah, it's going to be nice. Actually, I'm going to make it sideways so that we can actually get landscape shots. Ooh, I'm going to have that like up close, just like that. Yeah. Ta-da! Look at that, eh? That's nice. I made a thingy. Look at that. Pretty neato. I can do standing shots now. Haha. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, I made that up just real quick, and I've got a port there for if I want to charge anything. It's only being held on with super glue at the moment, but honestly, I'm pretty confident that that's going to be more than enough. I might throw some sort of bracket there or whatnot, but again, super glue is like pretty strong. I could probably pick this whole thing up with it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I can pick the whole tripod up by that. Let's just kind of set that back down. I'm gonna clean this mess up. Oh yeah, for that, That being the phone case on the tripod, of course. That is, what is it? Clear acrylic glass? I can't remember, but I had some leftover from a previous project, and I was originally going to make that out of wood, but then I thought to myself, well hey, I got this cool stuff here, it might end up working better, and honestly, I'm really happy with the result. Yeah, with the new DeWalt Bro, let's zoom in more. With the new DeWalt Bro, look at that, not bad, not too shabby. I need a place for him now, and I have an idea, but I don't know if it's gonna work, so just gonna play around with that for a little bit. There's my planer! Man, the zoom function on this is pretty good, actually. How do you see back there? Hey, none too shabby. It's a little bit grainy, but all in all, that's none too shabby. There's the bench. Hey, bench. You can see the rest of the acrylic glass leaning up right there. We also have a bandsaw and a miter saw and the router down there and a table saw. And those are all my router bits right there. There's also stuff underneath there. What is that? Oh yeah, distilled water for when I'm mixing acid. Haha. Not like the drug acid, like the acid for etching knives. Haha. Ceiling! I can go all the way up to the ceiling. That's my clamp collection. I got some clamps up there. A clamp down there. Haha. That's the workbench. I'm just testing, playing around. I can only record 12 minutes at a time. I'm gonna need another external hard drive. Oh dear. Well, I think that's enough of that. So, finished the project, I'll see you guys later. What do you think? I need an outro of some kind.
Well, yeah, just use this, bro.
Okay.